Discovery disputes wave theory of light. Hello, I am Professor Prasad Rao Bayarapu from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad, India. My experiments have revealed that the phenomena of interference and diffraction can be explained by particle nature of light itself without invoking wave theory of light. I have found that a transparent fluid layer of about half a millimeter thickness that is formed by the ambient gases covering all the solid and liquid surfaces in normal atmospheric conditions is responsible for interference and diffraction phenomena. This fluid layer, which is a state between liquid and gas, has density ripples pervading it in the form of compressions and rarefactions like gas, and also crests and troughs like liquid. Interference is studied in the experiments of Newton's rings, Fresnel's biprism, Michelson's interferometer, oil slicks and soap films. Newton's rings experiment. My experiments have revealed that the fluid layers of the covered portion of the lens and the plane surface of the plane glass plate form a plano-convex complex fluid. In this complex fluid, circular density ripples comprising of compressions and rarefactions that taper off from the center are set in. When illuminated with a sodium vapor lamp, the compressions appear dark and rarefied portions appear bright. The differential density of complex fluid gives rise to colored bands at the compressed portion owing to refraction of white light when mercury vapor lamp is used to illuminate the pattern, and after 5 or 6 bands, bright fringes with green tinge and dark fringes are seen. The density of any fluid is affected by pressure and thermal causes. When pressure is applied on the lens by pressing with finger, the fluid gets displaced at the point of pressure and the fringes in the surrounding complex fluid become broader owing to the density change in the fluid. When heat is applied with a candle, the fringes rush towards the center and the fringes rush away from the center when heat is withdrawn, in tune with the density changes in the complex fluid. Surface pattern. A portion of the fluid layer close to the surface gets pressed against the surface and forms a distinct pattern called surface pattern owing to strong surface potential. The surface pattern over thin glass plate of about 0.1 millimeter thickness called cover glass is shown below. The following is the surface pattern on a plano-convex lens. The surface pattern on the middle bulge portion of biprism is responsible for linear fringe pattern in the Fresnel's biprism experiment. The circular surface pattern on each of the silvered mirrors is responsible for the circular fringes in the Michelson's interferometer experiment. Similarly, the patterns on the oil slicks and soap films are nothing but surface patterns. The changing surface pattern on oil slicks and water surface are shown below. The changing surface pattern on soap film is shown below. Diffraction experiment. My experiments have revealed that the diffraction pattern is nothing but density ripples of compressions and rarefaction that taper off from the surface of glass, acrylic sheet, wire, etc. The differential density gives rise to refraction of light causing illumination in the geometrical shadow of edge of an object. When heat is applied with a candle to an acrylic sheet, the fringes get disturbed and disappear and later reappear when heat is withdrawn, in tune with the density changes in the fluid layer. Thus, interference and diffraction phenomena can be explained with particle theory itself without invoking wave theory of light. Light has to be denoted by photon, and each photon has to be designated by specific mass m and velocity v. My work was published in the International Journal of Applied Physics and Mathematics under the caption Interference and Diffraction, a New Theory. My experimental work has been incorporated in the website www.natureoflight-particularly.com. My email address is prasadbayar@yahoo.co.in, natureoflight particle only @gmail.com. Thank you.